If you've never had a YouTube channel and you're wanting to make one, or if you already have a YouTube channel and you're wanting to create a second account, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to set up a YouTube channel, even if you are a beginner. Okay, so we're going to hop over here to my computer screen. And if this is your first time setting up a YouTube channel, then what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to the top right-hand corner and you're going to click sign in. Once you're led to being signed in, what you're going to do is you are either going to put in your email if you already have one, but if you don't have a Gmail account, email, then what you're going to go is you're going to go right down here to create an account. Now this part is really important. What I highly suggest, you can either pick for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. If you are creating an account, this way in the future you can create multiple accounts and you have more features. What I highly recommend is that you go to and you click to manage my business. Even if you're just doing this for yourself, highly recommend go ahead and click to manage my business. Now in this part, go ahead and put all in the basic information. And like I said, if you already have an email account, you're going to go ahead and put it in right there. But if you need to create a new one, you'll just go down to the line below and create a new Gmail address instead. Now, if you plug something in that is already taken, like if I use Jackson, it's going to show up that this username is not allowed. So just go ahead and try something different. Either put a name or either put a number or something behind that. That way it's just like signing up for any email. Just make sure that the username is available. Okay, then once you got all of that plugged in, as you can see, I had to put in a ton of numbers just to get this email working, but go ahead and get all that filled in and then go ahead and click next. All right, then for this next part, if this is your first time setting up a YouTube account, what I highly recommend is that you go ahead and put your phone number in there, as you'll see the importance of that here in the future. And then also go ahead and put a recovery email just in case you ever forget your password in the future. So just go ahead and put that in there. If you don't have a recovery email, it says it's optional. You can go ahead and skip that part. Go ahead and put in your birthday, gender, and then we'll go to the next step. All right, then on the next step, this will just be the privacy and terms. You can go ahead and read through all this, but once you read through all of that, go ahead and click agree. All right, once you get to this page, this is to set up your business profile. You don't need to do this. Just go ahead and click not now for right now. All right, and boom, just like that, you've done the first step in creating your YouTube account. Now, if you're wanting to post videos and interact and do all the good stuff with YouTube, what you're gonna need to do is head over to the top right-hand corner here again, go ahead and click this little icon, usually gonna have the first letter of your name. Head on down to create a channel. And whenever I told you guys about that, either pick for myself or to manage a business, the reason why you did that is because you can rename your YouTube channel. It doesn't have to just be your name. If it was for myself, your YouTube channel is just going to be your name. But since you did for a business, you can now put in whatever you want your YouTube channel to be. So here, as you can see, I came up with a name for my YouTube channel. You can do the same. Go ahead and do that. And then if you want to upload a picture, go ahead and upload a picture. That'll basically be your icon for your YouTube channel. And then go ahead and click create channel. All right, and boom, just like that, you are now officially a YouTuber. You can now go in, you can start posting videos, start commenting, liking on other people's videos as well. Now, this step is very crucial if you want to have more options within your YouTube channel. Now, this part is important so that way you can create custom thumbnails. Your videos can be longer than 15 minutes. You can do live streams and you can appeal certain strikes that YouTube places onto your account. So as we're here on our channel, you're going to go back up to the top right again, except this time you're going to go down to YouTube Studio. Go ahead and click that. You can go ahead and click continue here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head down to settings right here. Once you're in the settings, go ahead and click channel, go over to feature eligibility. And then what you're going to want to do is features that require phone verification. Go ahead and verify a phone number within this. Just have them text you. You're going to go ahead and you're going to receive a text. Go ahead and verify that phone number. I'm not going to do this for this account because I already have my main account that I'm obviously posting on, but go ahead and do this so that way you have access to those features of custom thumbnails, videos longer than 15 minutes, being able to live stream, and being able to appeal certain strikes that YouTube may place onto your channel in the future. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. If you got any knowledge out of it, go ahead and leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on those notifications. Appreciate y'all.